Okay, the SKT. I think he quit his job and he wants to become a full-time trader. Is trying some indicators. They are working hit and miss, right? So it's not working out well. I mean, it works out well, and then it again you lose some money. And I have been through that phase, so I know how that feels. And then he says that he is trying to learn complete trading framework, trying to apply it, but now he is in a situation where he wants to support his family as well as pursue full-time trading, and what he should do. And I would absolutely say, with a very very clear mind, that you should get a job first, right? Understand, I have done this mistake. Okay, I left my job. I was doing fantastically well. I left my job, and then I jumped into this world of trading. Then my savings ran out, and then I started realizing that how difficult it is to sustain, right, and trade in the markets at the same time. If I had to do it differently, what I would do is I would continue to work. However hard it was for me, it was not a very good experience to work in a job, but I would still work for a few more years, purposefully save every penny, create a nice corpus, make two parts of it. One will go to the sustenance of family, and one will go to trading. That I would suggest everyone, every aspiring trader. Whether you lose your job, whether you quit your job, whatever is the reason, if you do not have enough savings and sufficient money to take care of your family and support your lifestyle, maybe it is a curtailed lifestyle, all right? So like you are going out to hotels twice a week, thrice a week, you stop it and you cut it down to once a month. Okay, you watched every new release movie in the uh, multiplexes, you cut it down and you watch only one a month, or you rent and you watch at home. Make sense? This is how you will slowly accumulate money, and it happens very very quickly, quicker than you realize. Okay, we believe that, okay, if only I save 5 months, it will take me so many years to save 5 lakhs. Don't think like that, right? You start saving money very quickly, you will find sufficient amount that you can use. Okay, so I understand, like if you get into a full-time job, you won't be able to trade, but you will still be able to practice. Who's stopping you from practicing, right? You cannot do it real time. Okay, you come back at home, you watch higher time frame chart, and you try to take longer term trades, try to refine your principles, make potential auction paths, come back the next day and see if markets followed or not. You have to go through that painful process, and it is less painful than trying to be in the markets all the time, not being able to make money out of it, and then feeling the pressure of supporting your family. And I'm telling you, it is not a nice thing, nice situation. Don't be in it, all right? Get a job. It may not be like your original job, you may not be making as much money as your original job because things are difficult right now, but get a job, right? So that your family and your the people who are dependent on you, they don't have to feel the pain, right? And then you can transition in a planned and phased manner. That is always the prudent thing to do. Okay,